Alright, y'all, today I'm gonna show you how to make some New Orleans dirty rice. Let's go. I'm gonna tell you right now, the traditional way, y'all, that everybody does it, or most people do it, is with chicken liver. I don't like that, y'all. I'm going ground meat, because raw bacon don't mess with those things, okay? But if you like it, you roll with it. Alright, y'all, so down in the pot we got the water, and I got 1 cup of that poor boiled rice in there. We're gonna let that happen so that rice will be cooking while we get these vegetables ready. So let's go. Cut your celery up, y'all, and let's get to it. Now I'm gonna tell you something. When it comes down to dirty rice, y'all, I like to actually take it as well. And what I do is I'll make stuffed bell peppers with my dirty rice. I have to show y'all that. We'll do a video or something like that, maybe a live or something, and I'll show y'all exactly how I do it, okay? Anyway, y'all, go ahead and cut up your celery. Cut up both stalks, okay? Look, that's how you want your celery, okay? You don't want no too big of chunks, okay? And now go ahead on with your bell pepper and get that all cut up, okay? The whole thing now. Now go ahead, y'all, and cut up 1 small to medium yellow onion, okay? You don't need no big old whopper chopper onion, okay? Don't get carried away on that. I know a lot of folks like to get carried away on that onion, man. They just cut too much of it. It's unnecessary. All right, y'all, so the vegetables cut up and all what have you. Let's go down to the stove and get it happening. All right, y'all, so I don't know why I'm about a pot of rice, but we're gonna move down to this pot right here. And we're gonna get this pot on. All right, we'll get some butter in there, about 2 tablespoons. And then what we're gonna do is, we'll get all our vegetables up in there. It ain't never magic at this point, let me tell you that right now. And I ain't gonna talk too much, so cut. All right, y'all, so now let's go ahead on and put your bell pepper, boom. Your onion, boom. And your celery, okay, y'all? Really? Let's get it all up in now. All right, y'all, so go ahead there, and now I want y'all to just saute these down about halfway, okay? At this point, go ahead and add 2 nice tablespoons of minced garlic, y'all. Look here, you don't want to add the minced garlic in the beginning, guys, because it'll burn, okay? So you're going to do that really towards the end. I just wanted to let y'all know that. All right, y'all, now again, I got to do what I can with what I got. Sorry, that's the way it is. But listen, you're going to do 2 pounds of this ground meat, y'all. It's about 1 cup of that rice, okay? That's the mixture, so don't forget that when you're making this dirty rice. Let me wash my hand. You already know, go with your Cajun seasoning. And then you go with it with some parsley, okay? Don't be scared of some parsley now. On top of that, you're going to go with salt to taste, pepper to taste. You already know the drill on that. All right, y'all? Y'all, now look. Go ahead now. Chop that sucker all up like that. Got to get it all well combined, okay? And then after we get it well combined, I want you to do is add some more seasoning. All right? First thing first, we're going to get it all mixed up real nice. All right? Look. Dirty rice, y'all, is real nice. Say like if you pay Dan for about 3 or 4 good days and you need to feed the family, and your money ain't right, but you want to feed them something good, dirty rice is an awesome choice, y'all, okay? I promise you, the family's going to enjoy it, and you get to do it cheap because you make so much, and it fills you up, okay? Keep that in mind, all right? Now, see when it's combined like that? Go ahead and add that more seasoning right there, y'all. That's what I was telling y'all about, see? Like that. So look at that meat. That's 93% lean. It's got grease in there, but not too much, but you need that, okay? Once your ground meat's going ahead and cooked up like that, y'all, okay, I like that. It's cooked up good all the way. That cup of rice goes right up in there, okay? And then you're going to do is you're going to mix that together. And that's how dirty rice is made, y'all, okay? So just go ahead and mix that whole cup of dirty rice up in there. And I promise you, y'all can be like, man, that's some good stuff right there. I'm going to show y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so check it out. The dirty rice is done. It's absolutely delicious, guys. If you like the video, do me a favor. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and please subscribe, okay? I appreciate y'all.